Good morning, children. How are you? My name is Jayashree, KGBV Veergattam. Today we discuss the topic about maps. ఇప్పుడు మ్యాప్స్ గురించి మనం చెప్పుకుందాం. Important points in this lesson: maps, symbols, directions, scale, measuring heights on land, showing maps on maps, uses of maps, showing heights, states and capitals, districts, all. First one, maps. Second one, SY, symbols. Third one, direction. Fourth one, scale. Fifth one, measuring heights on land. Measuring heights on land. Showing heights on maps. Sixth one, showing heights on maps. Seventh one, contour lines. Contour lines. Eighth one, districts. Ninth one, states and capitals. Tenth one, map showing heights. Uses of maps. Showing heights. In this lesson, important points. First one, maps, symbols, direction, scales, measuring heights on land, showing heights on maps, contour lines, districts, states and capitals. Next one, uses of map showing heights. First one, maps. First one, maps. The world we live in so full of rights, varieties. The world we live in so full of varieties. Mountains, plateaus. Next one, snow covered region. Why there is so much variation? How does this affect these peoples who live in those parts? To study, understand these questions, need to take help of maps of different kinds. Some maps tells about how high or low places there. Some tells us about how much it rain, how cold, how high it's there. Some tells us about crops grow there. it different kinds of forest. By studying them, we know many things. First of all, maps. How many types of maps? How many types of maps? Three types of maps. Three types of maps. What are their maps? First one, physical map. Second one, political map. Third one, thematic maps. First one, physical map. Meaning of physical map: map showing natural features of the earth, mountains, plains, plateaus, seas, oceans, etc. Next one, political map. Map showing cities, towns, villages, and different countries, and world the state the world of boundaries, etc. Next one, thematic map. Map is representing a particular or theme, a particular topic or theme. Map is representing a particular topic of theme. Directions is 4 directions. Four. North direction, south direction, east direction, west direction. Directions is 4 directions. How many different kinds of maps? Make a maps you would like to read and write. Look at this picture carefully. Look at this picture carefully. Answer the following questions. Raja went to Bhopal from Hyderabad. In which direction did he travel? Answer is north direction. Answer is north direction. Surya went to Lucknow from Chennai from Lucknow. Surya went to Chennai from Lucknow. In which direction did he travel? Answer is south direction. Answer is south direction. Next one, symbols. Next one, symbols. Meaning of symbol: a sign, shape or objects which is used to represent something else. This picture of Kacha road. This picture of Pakka road. this picture of house. This picture of river. This picture of post office. This picture of police station. Police station. This picture of trees. Trees. These are called as symbols. These are called as symbols. This picture of Kacha road. This picture of Pakka road. This picture of houses. This picture of river. This picture of post office. This picture of police station. This picture of trees. These are called as symbols. Next one. Next one, scale. Scale is a ratio between distance and scale is a ratio between actually distance and ground. The distance shown on the map. Shown on the map. Next one, measuring heights on land. Measuring heights on land. Measuring heights on land. All heights on land are particularly from the sea level. All heights on land are particular the sea level. Since all seas in the world, distance. Since all seas in the world are connected to each other, the sea level all over the world is taken to be roughly the same. Roughly the same. Measuring heights on land. All heights on land are particularly from the sea level. Since all seas in the world are connected to each other, the sea level all over the land is taken to be roughly the same. this picture heights in Nimpur village. This picture of height in Nimpur village. Hill 150 meters. Temple 100 meters. Village 50 meters. Village 50 meters. Hills 150 meters. Temple 100 meters. Village 50 meters. Heights in Nimpur village. Heights in Nimpur village. Nimpur village. Next one, showing heights on maps. Showing heights on maps. Showing heights on maps. The maps 3 heights. The maps 3 heights zones. The map shows 3 height zones. First one 0 to 50 meters. First one 0 to 50 meters height. Second one 51 to 100 meters height. Third zone 101 to 150 meters height. Three height zones 0 to 50 meters height, 51 to 100 meters height, second zone. Third zone 101 to 150 meters height. Heights are shown in different shades of colors. మనం ఈ హైట్ మ్యాప్స్ని కలర్స్తో మనము చూపించవచ్చు. ఎలా చూడండి ఒకసారి. Zero to 50 meters height. 51 to 100 meters height, second zone. Third zone 150 meters, 101 to 150 meters height, third zone. Showing heights on maps: 0 to 50 meters height, 51 to 100 meters height second zone, third zone 101 to 150 meters height. అయితే 50 meters అబవ్ పై భాగాన ఉన్నదాన్ని 51 ఎత్తులోన 100కి దిగువన ఉన్న భాగాన్ని తక్కువగా హైట్ తక్కువగా ఉన్నట్టు మనం ఇక్కడ గ్రహించుకోవాలి. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ contour lines. Next one, contour lines. Contour lines. Next one, contour lines. A contour line is a joining the places with equal heights. Next, contour lines will in irregular shape depending upon the landform. Next one, they cannot cut to each other. Next, the distance between two contour lines represent landscape. The distance between two contour lines depend upon the landscape. If then the land of steep climb, then the contour lines will be near to each other. If the shape of land is gentle, contour lines will be quite to each other. Contour lines. This picture is contour line. This picture is contour line. Next one, how many districts in Andhra Pradesh? 4 Rayalaseema districts. 4 Rayalaseema districts. 4 districts. Coastal Andhra districts 9. Nine Rayalaseema districts, sorry, 4 Rayalaseema districts, 9 Coastal Andhra districts. Totally 13 districts. 13 districts. Totally 13 districts. Four Rayalaseema districts: Anantapuram, Kurnoolu, YSR Kadapa, Chittooru, Rayalaseema districts. Andhra Pradesh, coastal Andhra districts 9. Srikakulam, second one Vijayanagaram, third one Vishakhapatnam, fourth one East Godavari, fifth one West Godavari, sixth one Krishna district, seventh one Guntur district, eighth one Prakasam district, ninth one Sri Pottu Sriramulu Nelluru district. Sri Pottu Sriramulu Nelluru district. Uses of map showing heights. Uses of map showing heights. These maps help us understand nature of the earth. These maps of understand nature of the earth. Where are mountains? Where are valleys? Map showing heights. Map showing heights are very essential when road and dams have to be the connected. If we help to lay roads in an undulating region between two places, such maps help us in deciding the route to be taken by the roads. మనం రోడ్స్ వేయాలన్నా డామ్స్ నిర్మించాలన్నా మనం దానికి అనుకూలంగా ఉన్న మార్గాన్ని నిర్ణయించుకొని వేయడం అనేది జరుగుతుంది. ఈ మ్యాప్స్ అనేవి వాటి కోసం ఉపయోగించడం అనేది, ఎత్తులను చూపే పటాలు అనేవి ఉపయోగించడం అనేది జరుగుతుంది. How many states and capitals in India? 28 states and capitals in India. 28 states and capitals. What is this? This is a India map. This is a India map. How many states and capitals in our country? 28 states and capitals in our country. First one, Himachal Pradesh. Capital Shimla. Next one, Punjab. Capital Chandigarh. Third one, Haryana. Capital Chandigarh. 2 states కూడా చండీగఢ్ క్యాపిటల్. రాజస్థాన్ క్యాపిటల్ జైపూర్. గుజరాత్ క్యాపిటల్ గాంధీనగర్. మధ్యప్రదేశ్ క్యాపిటల్ భోపాల్. మహారాష్ట్ర క్యాపిటల్ ముంబై. గోవా క్యాపిటల్ పనాజీ. కర్ణాటక క్యాపిటల్ బెంగళూరు. కేరళ క్యాపిటల్ తిరువనంతపురం. తమిళనాడు క్యాపిటల్ చెన్నై. ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ క్యాపిటల్ అమరావతి. ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ క్యాపిటల్ అమరావతి. తెలంగాణ క్యాపిటల్ హైదరాబాద్. ఛత్తీస్గఢ్ క్యాపిటల్ రాయ్పూర్. ఒడిస్సా క్యాపిటల్ భువనేశ్వర్. బీహార్ క్యాపిటల్ పాట్నా. ఉత్తరప్రదేశ్ క్యాపిటల్ లక్నో. ఉత్తరాఖండ్ ఆర్ ఉత్తరాంచల్ క్యాపిటల్ డెహ్రాడూన్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ వెస్ట్ బెంగాల్ క్యాపిటల్ కోల్కతా. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ సిక్కిం క్యాపిటల్ గ్యాంగ్టక్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ అస్సాం క్యాపిటల్ దిస్పూర్. మేఘాలయ క్యాపిటల్ షిల్లాంగ్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ అరుణాచల్ ప్రదేశ్ క్యాపిటల్ ఈటానగర్. నాగాలాండ్ క్యాపిటల్ కోహిమా. మిజోరాం క్యాపిటల్ ఐజ్వాల్. మణిపూర్ క్యాపిటల్ ఇంఫాల్. త్రిపుర క్యాపిటల్ అగర్తలా. టోటల్లీ 28 capital states and capitals in our country. India boundaries: Eastern Bay of Bengal, Western Arabian Sea, Northern Himalaya Mountains, Southern Indian Ocean. Totally states and capitals 28, territory regions 9. First one, Himachal Pradesh capital Shimla. Next, Punjab capital Chandigarh. Haryana capital Chandigarh. Rajasthan capital Jaipur. Gujarat capital Gandhinagar. Maharashtra capital Mumbai. Goa capital Panaji. Karnataka capital Bangalore. Kerala capital Thiruvananthapuram. Tamil Nadu capital Chennai. Telangana capital Hyderabad. Andhra Pradesh capital Amaravati. Chhattisgarh capital Raipur. Jharkhand capital Ranchi. Madhya Pradesh capital Bhopal. Delhi capital New Delhi. Uttaranchal capital Dehradun. Uttar Pradesh capital Lucknow. Bihar capital Patna. West Bengal capital Kolkata. Sikkim capital Gangtok. Arunachal Pradesh capital Itanagar. Nagaland capital Kohima. Assam capital Dispur, Meghalaya capital Shillong, Mizoram capital Aizawl, Tripura capital Agartala, Manipur capital Imphal. Totally 28 states and capital. How many meters sea level is the temple? How many meters above the sea level is temple? Answer is 100 meters. How many meters the sea level is top of hills? Answer is 150 meters. I give you one question. Write answer in your notebook. నేను ఇప్పుడు మీకు క్వశ్చన్ ఇస్తాను, అది మీరు ఆన్సరు కరెక్ట్గా రాసుకొని తీసుకురండి నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్కి వచ్చేటప్పుడు. థ్యాంక్ యూ టు ఆల్. I give you one question. Write answer in your notebook. What is maps? What is uses of maps? Showing heights. Thank you to all.